Hey y'all, it is Wednesday and the kids are at school. I have dropped them off. I got a few Etsy orders done and I just got dressed and curled my hair, and now I'm about to get ready to go up to the school. I'm starting this week to volunteer in Kaysen's classroom on Wednesdays, and I always eat lunch with them on Wednesdays. The kids have back-to-back lunches, so it's really nice this year because last year I ate with them on Wednesdays, but they had an hour between both of their lunches, so I would actually be there all day volunteering, or sometimes I would have to go at lunchtime and go run some errands and then come back and eat lunch with Kaysen. But this year it's back to back, so it's super nice. But I'm gonna leave in about 20-25 minutes, so I'm gonna show you guys what I have on really quick, and then I need to make up my bed. Alright, so this is my outfit for the day. The shirt is from Old Navy, my slides are from Old Navy, and then my jeans are the ones that I just got from Target recently, and then the high-waisted jeans, which I'm loving. And then I did have to roll the bottom because they were a little bit long, but I do like these. Say hey, buddy. Say hey. Say happy Wednesday.
I've got this feeling, I'm feeling you could be the one. I see no reason why I should ever let you go. Don't wanna wake up if I'm dreaming, because you know I can't get enough of this feeling.
Now we just got home and I'm checking the kids' folders, and then we're gonna start on homework, and I like to do each kid one at a time. Unless Chance is home, then he'll take one and I'll take one. So Gracie June's teacher usually sends like some handwriting and counting practice, letter recognition and sounds. So we'll do that together and she'll kind of tell me what she's doing. And then I always pull out these sight words, and we work on specific sight words that they're doing in class, but then I also work on other ones that she already knows and new ones from the set that we have. And then Gracie June and I always do her books right before bed, so she reads at least 2 books before bed each night. Usually we read out of her children's Bible storybook, and then she reads either 1 or 2 of her sight word books that we got. We got these princess sight word books off of Amazon, and I do have those linked in my store, and she loves them. So if you have a little girl that needs to be working on sight words, definitely check those out. And then Kaysen and I have to do reading every day, so he has to read for at least 15 minutes a day, and then he answers questions that his teacher sends over the books that we're doing. And he's currently reading a few different chapter books that I have talked about on Instagram. And the book series is called The Secret of the Hidden Scrolls, and it's about 2 siblings and their dog, and they go through and they discover these ancient scrolls, and it transports them in time back to like Bible history, and they learn about all the adventures in the Bible. So it's really cool because Kaysen's learning about that, but it's a lot of fun for him to read because he can kind of relate to the 2 kids in the story. But those are linked in my Amazon store as well if you need more information on that. And now we're just doing spelling, and then some days we also work on math. Okay, so I thought I would share with you guys what I got in the mail, since some of this stuff I'm just super excited about. Actually, well, all of it I'm really excited about. Anyways, okay, so the first thing I got was the dress that I'm going to be wearing to my cousin's wedding, and her colors are like blush and white and green. And so I ordered this off of Show Me Your Moo, and I found like a 15% off coupon, but it's just a blush pink, and it's like a halter top. So this is kind of, I might have to actually try it on and show you guys. So I'll do that in a minute. I'll try it on for you guys, but that's what I got first. The next thing is I ordered this for the shower, but it's we've actually become friends since I started ordering from her. But I got these little books from Kimberson Design, and I'll link her shop down below. She has an Etsy shop. She's on Instagram. I love her Instagram feed. She has lots of farmhouse decor, and she has lots of customer pictures and things of all of her books that she makes. But this is what it looks like. And it says Casey and Dane established November 2nd, 2018. That's when their wedding date is. And it's just super cute. So I'm going to use it as part of our bridal shower decor. But it's also going to be a little gift to her. So I thought that was really cute. So make sure you go follow her on Instagram. You'll love her stuff. And I'm hoping to share some pictures or maybe video of the shower so you guys can see how it all turns out. The next thing I got is our small group is starting a new Bible study, and this one is called Rooted, and we've heard really good things about this book, so this is what we're going to be doing. And I have it linked in my Amazon store in case you're interested in checking that out, but I've heard really good things, so hopefully this will be a good one. I also have lots of other Bible studies that I've done or devotions linked in my Amazon store as well. I think it's under my faves, so definitely go check that out if you're looking for a good Bible study. My absolute favorite is Seamless if you've never done it, and I would highly recommend that one. It's my absolute favorite. I feel like it's the best Bible study that I've ever done, so go check that out. All right, and then the next thing I got is this handbag from Teddy Blake, and I'm going to link their website down below, but they have really high quality purses, and they are out of New York, and I don't think I've ever had a purse this high quality before, and I've definitely never purchased one myself. I've had more expensive purses, but they've always been gifts to me. For some reason, you guys know I'm really frugal and just don't spend a lot on a purse. But if you are looking for a purse that is super high quality and you don't care about the price, then I would definitely recommend this site, Teddy Blake. They have tons of really cute designs. I just saw that Ashley from Till Vacuum Does Part actually got one as well, and hers is a black one, of course. But this is like a suede material and then leather, and it's just super nice. On the inside, it has 3 little sections. So it's got the big section and then the 2 other sections, which is perfect if you are good at organizing your purse. But I thought this would be a great one because even though my kids are a little bit older, I still like to take a lot of stuff in my purse just to make sure that I have any, like if we have a spill or whatever, especially wipes and things like that. I still like to wipe my kids' hands off and faces and things like that, so I keep a bunch of stuff in my purse if they're with me. So definitely go check out their website. This was my favorite. I feel like I'm always getting brown purses though, but I loved this one and I'm excited to use it. Alright, so I think that is all of my mail for today, but I know I have a few other pieces that are going to be coming in the mail soon too, and I'm really excited to show those to you, so I'll probably do another day in the life when those arrive so that I can show you guys what all I got. Alright, so I'm going to try on this dress really quick so you guys can see what it looks like on. Alright, this is what the dress looks like. It's super cute. It is very long though. I feel like I'm going to have to get it taken up because it's very long. And I think I'm going to need a spray tan. But it's really cute and I love it. Alright, so it is, let's see, it's 4:30 and I really need to start cooking dinner because on Wednesdays we go to church, so we have to eat pretty early, and church starts at like 6:45, but we have to be there at 6:30 so we can drop the kids off and everything in the kids ministry. So I'm gonna go get started on dinner. So I decided I'm gonna make beef stroganoff, and it's gonna be super simple and easy. This is a pretty quick meal. I usually do it in the crock pot, but because I didn't start it early enough, or because I wasn't home early enough to start it, I decided I would just go ahead and cook it regular, no crock pot. So I'm gonna show you guys what to do.
Alright, so the first thing that I did was I just chopped up, we only used about half of an onion. The recipe calls for a whole onion, but we're not, I mean, we like onions, but the kids are not crazy about them. And then I had an 8-ounce thing of white mushrooms, and I put about probably 3/4 of the package. I pulled them out, washed them off, and I'm about to stick them in this pan. And this is one of the made-in pans that I got. I will leave their website down below in case you want to check those out. But honestly, this is the best cookware that I have ever had, and I am in love with it. I'm eyeing some more of their cookware and they have some really cool designs. If you follow them on Instagram, they have some really cool things on the back. They've worked with an artist or something, and they're just really neat company. They just celebrated their first year of being open, and I highly recommend them, especially if you are getting married and you want some really nice cookware. You can ask for that as a gift, or if you're looking to get someone a nice gift, this is definitely worth it. So anyways, off my hiatus about my new cookware, I'm gonna throw these in here and cook for about 8 minutes. Alright, while that's cooking, I'm going to show you the beef that I got. I just got this beef, and I'm going to cook it right after I get done cooking the mushrooms and the onion. And I'm just going to cook that for about 3 to 5 minutes. Alright, now I'm just going to add some egg noodles into our other pot and bring it to a boil and let those egg noodles cook while I'm cooking the rest of the stuff. It's not completely browned yet, and I don't want it to be brown all the way because it'll keep cooking once I add all the other ingredients. But I'm gonna add in the onions and everything now, and then the other ingredients, which I'll show you in just a second. Alright, so now I'm gonna add in 3 tablespoons of minced garlic. Hopefully I have 3 left. And then 3 tablespoons of this. I always get made fun of for the way I say it, so I'm not even gonna say it. So 1, 2, 3. Alright, so now I'm going to add a can of cream of mushroom. And then about 1/2 or 1/4 a cup of beef broth. I think I'm going to add a little bit of cornstarch to this to thicken it up, probably just like a tablespoon. Alright, so the noodles are done. This looks like it's good to go now, so I'm going to plate. So this is what it looks like. The noodles are on the bottom, and then the meat is on top. It's still steaming. It looks good. Alright, let's say our blessing. Ready?
God is great, God is good, let us thank Him for our food. By His hands we all are fed. Thank you for our daily bread. Amen.
so the kitchen is still a little bit a mess.
Hi.
Gracie June's got her brownie. Cooper's ready to eat. I still need to clean the table, but we have to head to church. So I'm gonna feed Cooper and then we are out the door to church.
We are pulling out, going to church. The kids have their Bibles. Show me your Bibles. All right, so it's a really good Bible if you are looking. We are headed to church. And Kason, what happens if you bring your Bible to church?
You get to get a ball at church.
They have this little thing where you put balls in, and so they're trying to get a certain number and fill it up. So they get to put a ball in the little, it's like a basket sort of thing, and they're trying to fill it up. So anyways, we're headed to church. There's Daddy meeting us at church.
Hey, Daddy's here. Hey, Daddy.
All right, y'all ready to go on in?
Yeah.
You got your Bible?
So it's 9 o'clock and we're just getting home from church because we packed some boxes for some kids across the world so that they will hopefully get to know Jesus one day. But we are about to get some baths, right? Kason rode with Daddy, so they're about to come in. But it's bath time and then we're going to bed. Can you tell everybody good night?
I'm hungry.
Oh, too bad, so sad.
Hungry.
Say good night, everyone.
Hi, everyone.
All right, we will see you guys in the next video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Make sure that you give it a thumbs up, and we love y'all. Bye.